Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be tinting my eyebrows at home. So I'm going to show you guys what I bought. I bought the Just for Men. It's like a beard dye in the shade dark brown. This is what the box looks like. This is the box. The box comes a developer, a color developer, a color base, a mixing tray, brush, gloves, and the instructions. I did try and do this yesterday, so we're just gonna correct it. I didn't have the right angled brush, so I went ahead and found my angled brush. And I think I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen to try and outline how I want my brows to look, because yesterday when I tried to do it, it was kind of hard to, you know, see where the color was actually going to be. So I think this will maybe help me just kind of guide me. And then I did go ahead and just like clean up my eyebrows a little bit using this like little eyebrow razor that I just got from like the beauty supply store. So yes, this is what it looks like, if you guys don't know. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna put this front part of my hair up. I'll just put the whole thing up, just so that it's out of the way. Okay. So you wanna make sure that you clean the area first. So I have like a cotton pad, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just remove any oil or whatever that's on my skin. What my brows look like before. Hopefully they look better after. So let me zoom in. I'm gonna go ahead and outline. That's the part I really had trouble with. That little arch. And then this side definitely. I just had like problems with that little arch. So that's why I went ahead and just kind of outlined it right there. I don't know if you're even supposed to do that, but that's what I did. So I'm gonna go ahead and take, where's my little mixing tray? You literally need the smallest amount. And I guess I threw the little mixing tray away, but these are the two products, the color developer and the, what else? The color base. So yeah, this is basically all you need, and then you're just gonna mix it together and then put it on your brows. I just need to find something to put this on. Really just gonna use this little piece of paper. And I'm just gonna put a tad bit, because you don't need a lot. And the thing I do like about this is that you can use it as many times as you want. So I'm just gonna put like a little dab like that of the color base, and then I'm gonna go in with the color developer and just match the same size, because you literally don't need a lot. Boop. Like that small. And then you're just gonna mix it together and apply it to your brows, and it's pretty simple. I'm gonna start on the tip. All right, so now I'm gonna leave this on for 5 minutes and come back and see how it looks. Okay, so it's already been on for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this one off first. think that looks good. Now for this one, my problematic eyebrow. They're always cousins and never twins. I'm scared. This one just looks so much better. I'm about to redo it. Alright guys, so I'm going to come back and redo this one because I want this one to look as good as that. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and put some more on this one because I want it to be darker in those areas that it's very sparse. So I'm going to leave this on for 4 minutes and hopefully they both look good. Alright, so I'm about to go ahead and wipe this off. Alright, so these are the finished brows. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Did it come out good or not? I think it came out okay. This is always just going to be my problematic eyebrow. I guess there's no way I can make them twins. They're always going to be cousins. So yes, these are the final results. It's not too bad. Kind of want to do this one again, but I'm going to leave it alone for now. We'll see how it looks tomorrow, but I love this one. This one came out so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.